during that meeting, which was extremely productive and beneficial to Kenya and to our neighbors, it was agreed that going forward, the partnership of the United Kingdom to us must continually, especially when it concerns this region, must, as of essence, involve our partner states so that they get engaged from the word go, so that we move together. Your Excellency, the challenges that we face in this region, in this area, are extremely complex and sensitive. We have had significant threats related to terrorism in this area and other serious crimes. For that reason, the programs that we run here as government and governments must be alive to the sensitivities and the complexities of the issues here. Your Excellency, we did sign a security compact between the UK and the Republic of Kenya, and I'm happy that going forward, I'm looking forward to similar arrangements, even with between the British government and the UK government and the other countries in this region, because we all must work together. We must work together. And by together, Your Excellency, I mean hand in hand, shoulder by shoulder, so that we deliver for the common benefit of our people in this region. I have had the privilege to look at the proposed program on the Borderlands Security Project for Kenya, Ethiopia, and Somalia. I am convinced beyond doubt that that project will go a long way in improving stability, peace, resilience, and empowerment of communities for our countries. And I have no doubt